Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Pichwai painting. For this you need a drawing sheet or a canvas sheet, a drawing pencil. I'm using Faber-Castell black matte pencil. You can even use a normal pencil that you have at home. Acrylic colors, you can also use poster colors. Coming to brushes, I've used fine art tackle-on brushes. I've also used Royal Art brush series. These are handmade brushes and are very easy to give strokes while painting. You can also use normal brushes that you have at home. For outlining, I've used this drawing pen in the number 0.4. So the tip is very fine, so it looks something like this. So all set, let's get started. If you guys want me to do more paintings like this, do let me know in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.